Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you our aroma diffuser. It is coated with wood grain, which makes it look very natural and primitive. The cap of the diffuser is easy to be taken off. Just add water and essential oil. Enjoy high quality life. You can hold up to 300 ml of water and produce up to 30 ml of moisture per hour. Ultrasonic technology is super quiet while working. There are 7 colors, steady on, changing color. Each color is adjustable between bright and dim. Strong mist comes out, see? Here is our contacts.